So this is the third video in my series on the locus of complex numbers. So I want to show you how we can find the general solution for the locus of complex numbers and circles. So we're told that the magnitude of z minus z1 is equal to r. And we're told that where z, so this z here, is a general complex number in the form of x plus iy. So this z can change. And z1 is a fixed complex number given in the form a plus bi. And I want to take you through how this diagram shows you the locus of all the points that satisfies this equation. So if we begin by replacing z with the x plus iy, we've got the magnitude of z, so x plus iy, minus z1, and z1 is a plus bi, so a plus bi, and this will equal to r. The first thing we'll do is we'll expand out this negative. So we've got a magnitude of x plus iy minus va minus bi. And this will again equal r. Now we can see we've got a collection of real parts, the x and the negative a, and the imaginary parts, the y and the negative b. So we can collect these together. So we've got x minus a, we'll put this in brackets, plus I multiplied by y minus b. And this will equal to r. So from this point, we can Pythagorean this to work out the magnitude. So we'll have the square root of the x term, of the real term, x minus a, all squared, plus the square of the imaginary term, y minus b, all squared. And this will equal the radius r. So now we can cancel out this square root. So we've got x minus a squared plus y minus b squared. We'll square both sides, and this will give us r squared. So we can see then that the centre of this circle will be at A, B, it will have a radius of r. This is exactly what we've got here. The centre of A and B and a radius of r. So this circumference represents all the points that are true for this equation. Okay? Well, thank you very much for watching. I hope you found that useful. If you did find that helpful, please like and subscribe. And you can download the full lesson and worksheet from my website, mrmathematics.com. There's a link in the description below. Thanks again, and take care.